In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your For You page on TikTok. So if you want to reset your For You page on TikTok, the first thing you will need to do is head over to your TikTok app. Once you open up TikTok, obviously you will be on your For You page, and from here you need to head over to your profile. Once you click on your profile, you can now click on the three lines in the top right hand corner of your screen. Click on the three lines and then click Settings and Privacy. Once you have selected Settings and Privacy, you need to scroll down until you find Cache and Cellular Data. Click on Free Up Space, and now you will be able to click on Clear Cache. Once you click on Clear Cache, click Clear again, and what this will do is it will show different content up now on your For You page. Obviously TikTok rely heavily on your likes, the watch time that you have on certain content, so you will still see people that you are following. But what this will do is it will allow TikTok to serve you different videos from different creators. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.